Jurado, Company XO, Jade Melissa Llorente, First Platoon Leader, Renzel J. Tuazon, Second Platoon Leader, Eureka May Nacion, CAT Facilitator Commandant, Noel Belale, Band Advisor Coordinator, Elmar S. Paro, Major Trainer, Mia Jane Aguilar, Juan Redota, RJ Peñarendondo, Band Master Trainer, Mark Jean Santa Ana and Warren Bea. Entry number 11, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City.